Hi, I'm Lauren, and I'm here today from the cystic fibrosis community to teach you how to huff cough. So the way we've been coughing since we were a little kid is not actually the most effective way to cough. Huff coughing is more effective because it keeps your airways, your throat, your neck, your mouth open, where regular coughing kind of seizes it all up, tightens all up, constricts it, and that restricts your airflow and your secretions from moving upward and out like they should. So what you're going to want to do is take a deep breath in through your nose, hold it for a comfortable amount, 5 seconds if you can, and then you exhale it. Don't kill yourself trying to get out every little last drop of air. Just exhale regular, and then you're going to repeat that cycle until it causes a spontaneous cough. Okay? Regular coughing, alternatively, actually constricts your airways in your throat, in your neck, and your mouth, and that's why it's not as productive. Okay? So here's how you do it. I'm starting to feel a little movement of congestion, so this time is probably going to cause the spontaneous cough. You'll notice too, as I'm breathing in, my shoulders shouldn't be raising up, because if they were like this, then I'm breathing just from the top of my lungs and my throat, and you want to be breathing from all the way down in your diaphragm. So breathe from as lowest point as possible in your body. Okay, that's a much better way to cough than to just try to cough in and of itself. So you can do that when you have the urge to cough. You can try to resist coughing and try to huff cough instead, or you can do it more like a breathing exercise to help create a more productive cough for your body. That's more efficient, I should say. Thanks, guys.